Many faculty at Cape Fear Community College require their students to do their work in Google Drive. Google Drive is a word processing program. It's an app that comes with your MyCFCC email address, which is actually a Gmail address in disguise. So it gives you access to all kinds of Google apps, and Google Drive is one of them. Google Drive exists in the cloud that we all hear about, meaning that the work is saved to an internet space, to an online space, and that way you don't have to worry about saving your work to a flash drive or losing your work. You'll always have access to your work anywhere that you have internet access. Google Drive documents are also easy to share and to use for collaboration. Up to 10 people worldwide can work on the same document at once. Um, and you can provide feedback to each other on your documents and that sort of thing. So it's very useful. To access your Google Drive, you log into your MyCFCC account and click on the icon on the left that says Drive. It is currently loading. What I just did was I have a private Gmail address and my Cape Fear email address. And for some reason, every time I open it here in MyCFCC, it reverts to my private email address. So I've gone over to my Cape Fear address. So sorry for the little glitch there. But now I'm in my Google Drive, and you'll see here I can create all kinds of folders for different classes. I can color code them if I want, that sort of thing. On the left-hand side of the screen, I will see the blue New button, and that's where I click on if I want to create a new document. I can also upload a file, upload an entire folder. I'm going to click here to create a new Google document. Once you get here, you'll see that it pretty much looks like any other word processing program with your standard toolbar and your pull down menus here. One thing that I would like to say, in case you're hesitant about using this, is that only the person who creates the document can delete it. You always have the ability to revert back to an earlier version of your document by clicking on File and then See Revision History. I can't click on it now because there is no revision history since I just created this document. But even if you allow others to edit your document, you can always go back to the original condition of that document. You'll see here it says Untitled Document. So I click here and I type whatever I want to call my document. I hit enter. And let's say I type here, well, get off there. I can type here whatever language this is. And you'll see here as I'm typing at the top, it says saving. It's constantly saving. I never have to click a save button in Google Drive. There is no save button. Now you'll see it says all changes saved in Drive. Another useful feature, if the lights blink out or whatever, you don't have to worry. Your document is saved up to the moment that those lights went out. Once I have created a document and I've named it, I can share that document with anyone I want. I can type someone's email address in here if I want, or if I want a wider range of sharing, I can click shareable link. And by default, it says anyone at Cape Fear Community College with the link can view. I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to more so you can explore this. I click on, every time I do this, I encourage my students to click on anyone with the link because some people use a private email address when they're logged in. And unless they're logged in with their MyCFCC address, it won't let them access the document if you check the button that says only those at Cape Fear Community College. So I click anyone with the link, and where it says anyone can view, I'm going to make it anyone can edit, and I'm going to click save. Now all I have to do is give this link to whoever I want to provide feedback on my document or whatever, and then they can edit the document. I'll see their name and see who's giving me feedback. So I just clicked on copy link, and I've copied it to the clipboard, and I click done. I require my students to do this to submit their work in Blackboard this way. So once they've done this, they just go into Blackboard, click on an assignment. Let's see, I'll go to my classes in Blackboard. I'm going to scroll down my screen and look at a class that I'm teaching this semester. I'll click on that. I'm going to go to, stop please, go to learning units. Unit 3, Essay 3, rough draft. I'm going to click on the name of my assignment. I'm going to scroll down the screen. I'm going to click on the Write Submission button. And here I'm going to paste this into this box. Now I will show you one thing. If I right click and go to paste, because I'm using Google Chrome, it's not going to do it. It won't let me do that. It makes me use the shortcut keys, which are Control X, C, and V. Control X is cut, Control C is copy, and Control V is paste. So I've just pasted the link to my shared document into the assignment area. I scroll on down and click on the green submit button, which I'm not going to do here, and I have submitted my document. And that's